Somebody asked me how I refund channel points. I mod for myself, so this is how. Real fast though, this is my mod view. This is my stream and mod view. If you want to get to your stream and mod view, let me go back to Twitch. It's Cat Leante. Hello, here's me. Why do I have so many people in my stream right now? Hi friends, if you want to get to your stream and mod view, we're gonna go here. You see this button right there, click that. That takes you to mod view. So we're in mod view now, right? So I'm just gonna go back to this. I'm gonna pause this so it doesn't like do the weird trippy thing again. So if you want to access your channel points, on this bar right here, left side, this little boba ball looking thing is called reward request queue. So if you click this, and then, oh, I already did the director raid, I did the boba mode. So here, if you click the check mark, there's a lot of ones from a long time ago, you mark as complete. That means you did the channel point redeem that they paid money for, and then you accept their channel points. If you click this one, oh, that was I did that director raid as well. If you click the X, it will reject the channel point redeem and refund the person back their channel points. Okay? Okay, I need to make sure I do a mirror spin. But if you want to go and clear everything all at once, I see a React Falcon in here, okay? You click this button right here, it will select all, and then you can reject all or complete all. So I won't complete Falcons for now because I did not do it. And there's a personal stream review that I did not do. So I will complete everything else, and that will clear up my channel points. I keep my stream in mod view open on my other monitor. So I mod from my own stream. I don't really need a mod in my own stream. I can literally do it for myself. So that's how.